Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Pick a square 3/4 paper and a reliable glue stick. Fold a 1/2-inch flap along one short edge. This creates the adhesive tab. Once done, press the flap flat with a ruler so the crease is crisp. This increases surface contact. Make sure to apply glue only to the outside of the flap, not the note face. This prevents messy residue. You need a straight edge and steady pressure to keep the flap thin and effective. You now glue and bond. Apply a thin, even strip of glue across the flap. Too much will wrinkle the paper. Fold the glued flap onto the note back, aligning edges precisely. Press firmly. Once aligned, stack the note under a heavy book or clipboard for 30 to 60 seconds to set the bond. After setting, trim any excess flap at an angle to form a gentle peel edge. This small cut makes lifting the note easier and reduces tearing. You finish by testing one note. Peel from the trimmed corner at a 45 degrees angle and stick to a surface. Smooth glass or paper works best. If adhesion is weak, press the flap down and reapply a thin glue layer, then reseal under weight for 30-60 seconds. Once dry, adhesion improves. Make sure to store completed notes flat and dry. Troubleshooting tip: if the flap peels unevenly, retrim the edge and press again. This fixes curling and improves release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.